job working here. She never showed up. She always no call, no shit. Is this wet enough for me to... It's not wet at all.
Don't do shit in the parking lot.
I'm not gonna do shit in the parking grass. I'm not gonna do shit in the grass. I'm not. I'm gonna park where I always park.
Yeah, fucking I'm asking you. Fucking
And it's all he's gonna be like, you're so fucking stupid. You're a fucking idiot. You know that? You used to work here, you know. Don't they have cameras?
They know you're here, bro.
They don't know this truck. They know my truck. Oh, and all fucking seats I fold down from the side. And I'd sit there and I'd watch him. He'd hold it like this and he'd go, Brant. It was a V6. That was the highest engine they offered. It would go, Brant, bam, 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 bam. Then he'd smack it up the second and go, Brant, bam, bam, bam. Then he'd smack it up the third, Brant, bam, bam. Then he'd smack it in drive. That's not. Yeah, it had 3 lows.